So I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. Welcome back, Lauren.
Let that cook out a little bit. I'm going to put fresh tomatoes in there, but I'm going to let those cook out a little bit. I'm going to put some tinned tomatoes first, because fresh ones will break up easy. Now the fresh tomatoes. Now the saltfish. Don't really matter what time, what part of the dish you put this fish in really, because as I say, it's already cooked. The salt's been boiled out of it.
So it's not as salty now?
No, it's not salty now, no. It's been soaked and boiled out. You have to boil it a couple of times to get the salt out of it. But it's used to preserve the fish for overseas and things like that. That's what I used to do like years and years ago. So I let that cook out a little bit. Go on.
The fish, this is sort of stuff you see in baskets, like not refrigerated.
Yeah, you see it on the shelf, in packets in the shelf. And Tesco, Sainsbury's,
okay.
They all sell it now.
Market, it's not the dry fish that you see in baskets.
No.
Okay.
Well, let that warm up, because the Ackee's cooked already as well. It's just got to warm up with the fish and blend itself in. And you can all have a taste of this one.
What's Ackee, mate? Is it like a bean or
It grows on a tree. It grows like you know conkers?
Yeah.
It grows like that kind of, but it's actually bigger, but like it's that similar way. The shell breaks and the little fruit comes out. And it's got a black seed underneath it. I've done a diploma in cake making and cooking and that. But I hated it and I didn't do it. But then I was into sports, so I was an ex-boxer, but I had eye injury, so I had to stop boxing.
He doesn't look like an ex-boxer, does he?
Right. But it's so lucky my mum made me go to college, because a lot of my friends had finished boxing and that, they're still hanging about, like, you know what I mean, trying to do something. She serves me well, so that's always praise her.
So how did you go about setting up your business?
You know, it's funny because I saw a friend and I wasn't doing nothing, and he said to me, why don't you open a restaurant? Because he's always cooking. I said, I don't want to do it, right? And then he said to me, there's a place in Covent Garden, like for rent. And I said, yeah, all right. I went and looked at it on a Friday, and then I opened it on a Monday. But I made so many mistakes doing it because I knew nothing about it. You know, I can cook, so like I've done it all myself. It's lucky that I had to pay no one to do it, because then I'd have fell in trouble. So, and it's got me to today, really.
Any famous customers?
Yeah.
Yeah, loads. No. I'll get a few. Jimmy Carr, had that Callum Best last week. Tiny Temper, Kate Moss. But thanks for coming.
Brilliant.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you.